Hey you guys, happy Valentine's. We're gonna go ahead and make two cute gift ideas, and these are for the aftercare ladies. And you guys, when I saw these on Target, I posted them on Instagram as well as TikTok. $3. So I took both sets. I'm like, this is gonna be a great idea for Valentine's. So let's go ahead and remove the sticker. Hopefully it comes out. Yes, it does. Really good. Pop it open. Oh my God. Comes out nice. Remove the thing. And let's get started. Now, I'm going to use the pink shred paper. You guys can use whatever you have. Red, pink, whatever Valentine's is to you. I'm just going to add it right here. This is going to be a cute, really cute gift idea. Really easy. Nothing to it. It's not complicated or nothing like that. I don't want to put too much of the shred paper because it kind of like overpowers it. I just want it to look really cute. Let's take off the tape. Once you take off the tape, just pop it open and remove the. This was also $3. And let me just, you know what? Let me remove the tags before I forget, and then I give it to them. Because I have done that, let me tell you. I'm always in a hurry then. I end up doing stuff without thinking. Okay. Let's do the other one. Now you can change the ribbon if you want. I think since it's kind of like Valentine's, maybe I should do a pink one. Maybe I should leave it like that. Okay, we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and grab half of this, and I'm going to fill it up as well with shred paper from the dollar store. Just like that. I don't want the shred paper to kind of like overtake everything. Okay. The first thing I am adding are these socks, and you pick them up at the dollar store. How cute are these socks? And you get 2 pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. I don't want the socks to rip. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add the socks. I feel like I should move my camera just a little bit back. I don't know, what do you guys think? Can you guys see everything? I want you guys to see everything. I'm going to move it just a tad back. Okay, let me move it just a little bit. Okay, so the socks are super cute. I picked them up at the Dollar Tree. And look at this one has the blow pop. And then this one has the cutest cherries. So I'm definitely just gonna roll it in like that. If it doesn't fit, I won't add it, trust me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add the socks. I also picked up 2 gift cards. So for them, I am doing a McDonald's because I thought they would like that. You know, get yourself some coffee. There's some McDonald's by the school. So I thought that would be very cute for them. I am going to go ahead and add a lip. This is from the dollar store. And this is cherry flavor. I actually have 2 of them. And these are so cute. How cute are these, you guys? Just a little bit of lip therapy for them. So I'm going to add these in there. So I'm thinking this one fits perfect, but I might have a problem with this one. So I'm okay with taking it out of the box, which is still going to be cute, but not really, you guys. How do I do it? I want it to look cute, but You know, I don't want it to like overshadow the gift as well. So the gift card is gonna be cute. I thought like that. And then I would put the gift card here. How cute is that? Now I do want to add a couple of chocolates, but I don't think it's gonna be, I'm gonna be able to, but let me see, you never know. If I can add the chocolates, I'm gonna add them. If I can't, obviously I don't. But I wanted to add some of the Hershey's. I have Hershey's nuggets in here in my bag, and I thought it would be cute to add a couple of the Hershey's for Valentine's, because you know, a little bit of chocolate goes well with everyone. These are just the Hershey's nuggets. How cute are those? But I'm gonna go ahead and add them. So we're gonna go ahead and add this. If this one pops, I'm okay with it. I'm totally okay with it, because I figured, you know, a little bit of chocolate won't hurt anyone. We're gonna add it like that. This one's gonna close really nice to watch, you guys. I have a feeling this one is going to, and it does have room, so I can add more of the chocolate if I want to. I can also add something else in here. Look at how cute that is. I should have got the same, these as the same. That is so cute. How freaking cute is this? Wow, these came out really cute. This is such a cute idea. And then if they have a Valentine's tree, because a lot of people have Valentine's tree now, you can hang it up on your Valentine's tree, or you can just, you know, have it like that. It's really optional. It's really up to them, but it is adorable. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, I think that's good. I don't want to overpower it. So like that. We're gonna close it up. Oh my god, this is so cute, you guys. You don't understand how cute this is. Can you guys see? Yeah. Kind of want to match it with this. And I actually was able to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna rip this one off. So this is it. How cute is this? They're going to freaking love these. Now let's see if we can even do the other one. I don't know, I'm so scared. Okay, let's leave that one to the side. I do want to add the chocolate, so I'm thinking I'll add the chocolate here. Because who doesn't love a little bit of chocolate? The gift card, and we'll add this like this. Let's see if it'll let me close it up. Oh my god, I'm so close. Look at how close that is. I'm literally that close to closing it. So what I am gonna do with this one, I don't want to take it off. I'm gonna cut it. Let's see if that'll work. Because if that works, we did it already, you guys. And I think it's gonna work. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes, it worked. Wait, by an inch. So that's okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna cut it. I don't care. I could take it out, right? I should just take it out because I kind of wanted this to kind of like, you know, stand out. I don't want to cut it. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut it like this. I hope this helps. Because if I cut it like that, it's definitely going to fit like this. It's going to fit like this. Oh my God, if it is. There you go. How cute is this? Now, if you think that it's gonna open, feel free to put a little piece of tape. I really don't feel it's gonna open, but you never know, you know, with these things. How freaking cute are these? Now, if she does have a Valentine's tree, she can go ahead and hang it up. You guys, these are so cute. I'm happy I kept these little ornaments. You have a gift card in here. You have a lip gloss or lip therapy. You have chocolates and some socks for Valentine's. Now, with that being said, I made little custom bags because I wanted them to grab a cup of coffee. That's why I did the McDonald's. There's a McDonald's by the kids' school. So I'm like, you know, they love their coffee. So that's why I did the McDonald's gift card so they could grab coffee. And I made these bags. How cute are these? They're called Love and Coffee, which is my theme this year. And I'm going to go ahead and grab some heart tissue. Of course, it has to be heart tissue. I'm going to grab a piece of heart tissue. And I'm going to cut it in half. How cute is this tissue? Okay, we're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna put our little ball in here and we're gonna add it to our little bag. Make sure I take that out. And how cute is that? Oh my God, that is gonna be so cute. I love the fact that it still fits even though it's like round. I'm going to grab the same tissue because I want to do the same color scheme on both. And I'm going to do the other ornament. I'm going to grab the same tissue, the heart. The same tissue, guys. I'm going to grab the ornament. And I'm going to place it in. And there you go. How cute is that? Now, they're for the aftercare ladies. Each kid has one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of these little cute tags that I like. You guys could print these on your Cricut. Really easy. Print them out. If you want to add a name on it already, you can do as well. You could do so many things on the Cricut machine. You can add the name. It's really up to you. It's optional. I love them. So I'm going to go ahead and put the kids' names on the bags. Really easy. You already have the hole made. You could just punch it out real quick. Okay. You're going to write the kids' names, you know, or the teachers' names or whatever. I'm going to write the kids' names. So it's from Antonio. And I'm just going to write a little hugs and kisses. This is from Manuel, or Manny, as he likes to call himself. Little hearts and kisses. Nothing big. I'm going to grab my burlap. You could do pink if you want to, but I don't have any pink burlap, so I'm going to have to do this. Because I think pink will look cute on that as well. I'm just going to write just really quick the name on here. Both gifts are the same. They're two ladies who are before and after care that take care of the boys, and they're the sweetest people. They make sure that they do their homework. They make sure that they go to the clubs that they need to. They're always helping me with the boys. I think that is the sweetest thing when it's so hard out here for a parent to do everything by themselves. So having a little bit of help helps me. And that's why I like to give them their gifts for Valentine's. I always include them. I love to include the ladies. And I'm always like, thank you for helping me with my boys. And they're always on it like, oh, Antonio didn't eat breakfast. Is he okay? He didn't eat lunch. Does his stomach hurt? Like, they're always on it, taking care of the boys for me. So I'm very grateful and thankful for the aftercare people that help out. But yeah, happy Valentine's, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And let me know what you guys think. I think they came out adorable. I think they're going to love them. I can't wait till they get them. Happy Valentine's. And until next time, bye, you guys.